We're here at Chili's for Mexican dinner. I have a word for you tonight. The Ilonggo word is hubog. Hubog means drunk or tipsy. I've been drinking a mug of margarita, strawberry margarita, and this is my second mug. And I'm already tipsy with the first one. I feel so heavy, I feel lightheaded, I feel like I want to go to sleep already, but we're here. This is Stu's fault. Yes, very good influencer. And where is Jesse? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, I have this challenge. I just thought of this while I was talking with Stu earlier. Now, challenge a foreigner. Like, what is the Filipino phrase or Ilonggo phrase or word that's unforgettable for you?
Well, this is one that I like to say to my wife. It is Palangga Takat Tulu Tulu.
Which means?
Which means I love you forever.
Oh!
I love you so much. So much. Yeah.
Palangga
Takat
Todo Todo. Yay! That will enter my YouTube vlog. I love you so much. Yes. Thank you, Stu, for that. You're actually my first foreigner to do the Ilonggo word challenge.
All right.
Yes. Cheers. Hubog. Ilonggo word for take care. Challenge.
Oh, dang. I don't even know if it's the Ilonggo word or
Try.
Tagalog word. Ingat.
Okay. Ingat.
Ingat.
Okay, it's Tagalog.
Okay, that's Tagalog.
Okay, ingat means take care, and in Ilonggo it's halo.
Hello.
Halo.
Okay.
Wow. Korean barbecue. Flip it over.
Okay, he's gonna leave it.
Cheers. This is Jonah Mart here at Chili's at SM MOA. Thanks to for the wonderful night. This is really unforgettable. Very. So see you again in our next video. And challenge the foreigner for that next Ilonggo or Filipino word. Bye for now. Cheers.